asantefo even the battery for ni mukra akanfo mukra ye would divisions wom enkranfo ye would divisions oko ever enyum ina na ye votarians into mo ye baako okay but o the enclave say votarians ye baako enkranfo ye baako ye twi akanfo ye baako a obi a person protecting it obi a person protecting amamre obi a person protect the culture na emu yedu Joshua Ghana, your chieftaincy, omo ahinde ni omo protect ni mu nyam mu still a e wotum fodi. And asantefo mu division ye wo ekwo na eduana but mo obi po hu say division wom to be steady the whole Ghana tribe ye di o matempa mu asantefo na nim dia ya di obedi asantini atem bi antumi mfo no andi kurum kasa ndi asantefo atem because all the only kurum kasa edi asantefo atem Ghana obi ate ti ajo be fa mo asante kasa no abra
Nice GA.
Yo abusia isha chena he na otwi mu a o hwe nsem a ehwe agupu no so a efa iboni a ono se wa betene kingdom e wo Ghana adane nse bebri e wo social media. Now one thing that people are talking about and say intimacy was something. David. Yes, I'm running for the life. Intimacy that. So that's the conversation now. People are saying, "Want me fasadi we see? I don't know why. All the time, no. About the war front, Asante is highly recommended. I don't know why. About the war front, Asante is highly recommended. Why? Because as soon we are bad thing will be as we intimacy Asante memo Asante nhwe masani ma we enga so ni ade. Why? Na ye be konsem ni abobo 1 or 2 bi na ye papa over the weekend no na odi nkomo bi na okasem osofo Duncan Williams ebra wo hia yewura no okasem kakra efa ho Avram be Moshe so sa abeto ne nsem a mebo be chirechire mu no so abechire mu. Yes, but before that yen kohwe Avram be Moshe asem o kan ye e de fa Asante ho yen kotima
makai ma min kan sem bi won se me kan say awi ase no a species new race no be protected de oba Ghana we are one nation but not one people.
Okay.
Say your mind baako oboa your mind baako ye nipa baako ye your mind baako ye different races esono sesa
o mind em kura
o mind em esono me fan say asantefo even the batwifo ni mu kura akanfo mu kura ye would divisions wom enkranfo ye would divisions oko ever enyum ina na ye votarians into mo ye baako.
Okay.
But all the enclave say votarians ye baako enkranfo ye baako ye twi akanfo ye baako a obi a person protecting it obi a person protecting amamre obi a person protect the culture na emu yedu Joshua Ghana ye chieftaincy omo ahinde ni omo protect ni mu nyam mu still a e wotum fodi and asantefo mu division ye wo ekwo na eduana but mo obi po hu say division wom to be steady the whole Ghana tribe ye di o matempa ye mo asantefo na nim dia ya di obedi asantini atem bi antumi mfo no andi kurum kasa ndi asantefo atem because all the only kurum kasa e di asantefo atem Ghana obi ate ti ajo be fa mo asante kasa no
abra
ya fact e duru baby Kofi Adom akora ho tan e ba ye nyina na enu okokan say ba koye wo sa video no ba koye wo asantefo no
nye enka to sasa
bonofo nhwe na nko anwa no ne nua no say ombuofo me matena nungwa nkasa division omo nua no ni teshi fo ni osofo ni la komo ye wana what.
Yes, so Avram be Moshe achirem say o probia watimi maintain e keep culture ne clean ama wiase nyina agiatum opewompew e Asante. That's a fact. you cannot take away from us. But Opa ye can assemble so Asante. But a banner war front Asante is highly recommended. This is beautiful. And I mean him said assembly abani per se ye de Asante be room. Yanuti na ma Igbo ni iba ye no mo kan assembly no. E bi kra say political gimmicks if they want to bring a kingdom to fight Asante kingdom among kind of cray because maybe a chamuno ebia ye history side maybe a chamuna Igbo fo ne alatafo ne bi be kan ye abrofo no be kan kranfo ne afantefo ho mom so any Asante kon ebiem na ese be yana. People are asking say is it a history and as is it history repeating itself ana aye twaswe na yenkoti ye papa Duncan Williams emra ye ba ye betwaso.
I'm very worried about some of you pastors, men of God, apostles, prophets, teachers, those of you in the private sector, politicians. I'm very worried about some of you. The way you treat other people, the way you treat your father, the way you treat your mother, the way you treat people. You have to be very careful. The way you handle people. Because you never know who you will need in this life. Honorable, how long have I known you? Honorable, Kwamina Battles. 46 years. Hear me. I'm going to break a protocol today in this church that I have never done it because this person, she's the most private person in this church. None of you know her. But she's my big sister. And we've related for years. You don't know her. Sister, please tell me how long you've been here.
44 years.
She's my big sister. All her children grow up in this church, but they are all with Bishop Dag. Me and Bishop Dag, we share sometimes. They are all with Bishop Dag. All of them in the Lord. This lady is no joke. She used to be a member of the PNDC. Are you hearing me? And not just that. Ambassador to Holland, ambassador to another nation. This woman is no joke. 44 years she's been in this house. And we've related. She's my big sister. I call her sister. Why am I doing this? I want you to understand the message I'm preaching, that some of you are mortgaging and forfeiting your future because a day will come and you will need somebody. And because you didn't treat people right. The other day I met ASANTEHENE at the airport and my protocol came and said, oh, Nana is passing by. I was at the VIP. And I asked his protocol, is he coming in or he's going straight? And so he's going straight to the plane. And I said, as soon as his car gets there, let me know. And then when I was coming out, somebody said, you come out and greet me. I said, come out and greet who? I'm going to meet him. He doesn't have to come out and greet me. He's Utumfuo. Did you hear the name I gave him? Utumfuo. He's the king of my tribe. My father is Asante, and that is our king. So you treat him with respect and with dignity. A society that does not respect and celebrate and honor their dignitaries don't go anywhere. And today we have a society that have no respect for dignitaries, no value for relationship. Some of you don't have relationship with anybody. Your relationship is your money, your influence, your access, your position, and who you know. That's all you have. Some of you, your currency is your relationship with the president or the first lady or the position you have. The day it eludes you, we will see who you are. So keep bluffing, keep misbehaving, keep thinking that you've made it and you can treat anybody anyhow. Your driver, your wife, your cook, your husband, you have no value for anybody. It's a matter of time. I'm very upset, and I'll tell you why I'm upset. I'm upset of the foolishness of men. Foolishness. Where you were nothing and suddenly You become something. So you despise people, disrespect people, treat people anyway, anyhow. Who do you think you are? Chief, Mr. Ambassador, how long have you been in this church?
40 years.
That's an ambassador. You don't know the people I pastor. You don't know them. See people just sitting there like that. They don't talk. You don't know who they are. Weighty people. Weighty. And all of these people, we've related, we've never fought. We don't fight. When I moved and I relocated to America for 8 years, every birthday, every year, Bishop Dag will send me a gift like he does up to today. Every birthday of mine, Bishop comes with a gift. Every Christmas, he will go see the mother. After that, he will come to me with a gift. And that is the way we've related for 46 years. I've been in every major event of Bishop Dag's life. I've always been there.
Yes, so your papa Duncan Williams na uti no say ontimi ente se yeru nam ha wa bra onkohia ne da. Isan say yeru ade ni papa ya asante ni ntinya ade a ohia yeru a ode ne betoto fom da. And yeah, I make reference baby, and I think say he is proud of being Asante or Fanya Grokra. Yes, Sapepe and now Abusia Philippine Chawadjo comment session and some I Chaguna Chawadjo comment session na Yembo Bunsem. At dear Baquam Pese, you who say Igbo kingdom na Abagana. Yadene kukwasa sa I'm here because unim. I say President, Wakoshia president, so the man is so proud. The man is so proud. Na amanfo bebre ka se we ntimi nsi wa santememu ni ade yentie ye hwe videos we to aso yi ye ba ye beto aso.
Ghana nkasa wo ho adesua na ye mpe. Obi ehu ne ho so yo gboro. Ne yonko ya ade na ye fe na obesua no de bi me so me de me ho ntimi nsua. Me ye ewe 100%, but do you think say ade a Igbo man iba be ye wo Accra yi obetimi akoye wa Ashanti region? Who will even allow him so ba establish on ne kingdom e wa Ashanti region? Let's think, let's be sincere, it will never happen. Nkran why? Gans why? Nasabio Captain Smart Kromeni obi na be fini kroma ba establish on ne kingdom or ha no abesi wu Kromeni or hene. I can't think like ade yenya na eja ya adwen we kire ana sabe muma yendwen o na Ghana fonso ye nipa o.
Igbo king in Ghana. You know the reason why I'm laughing? You see all these Nigerians defending this Igbo king in Ghana. You all are all hypocrites. Yes, I put it to you that all the Nigerians defending this Igbo king in Ghana, that you all are hypocrites. The reason is this: because I come from a state whereby we respect our king more than even the president of Nigeria. And I think the Igbos, their king is called Obi. Can a Ghanaian travel to the Igbo land and crown themselves Obi of Ghana without Nigerians reacting? What you do not wish for your country, don't wish it for another country. I see some nonchalant Nigerians defending this act. That is it not just a leader? Is it not just king of Igbo? Can you listen to yourself? Go to your mirror and listen to yourself speaking. Igbo king in Ghana is not even proper. I will say it again. And furthermore, I heard categorically that this man purchased 50 acres of land, stating that he's going to build an Igbo community in Ghana, allegedly. If that is true, it is totally wrong. Leave it or you take it. I am not doing this video for you to like me or for you to hate me. I speak my own opinion. Igbo king in Ghana is totally not accepted. We have Nigeria embassy, and I will say it over and over and over again. So any Nigerians defending this art, you all are all hypocrites.
So the white man have come all the way from his country to come and colonize our forefathers. Now it is time for our fellow black man to come to Ghana and colonize us. And we didn't get any other person than Nigerian Igbo man.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
And our leaders, you don't see anything wrong with it. If you want to sell Ghana, tell us, some of us, we have already packed, and give us our share of the money. If it is political gimmick just to bring the Asante kingdom down, tell us. Tell us which one is Igbo chief, Igbo king, and Igbo leader. I've watched most of your interviews. Sometimes you call yourself chief, sometimes you call yourself king. Who are you? Tell us. If you are king, let us know. If you are chief, let us know. Which one is buying 50 acres of land? Where were you when our forefathers are fighting for this country? Where were your forefathers? This is how Igbo people, they operate. They will come minye. As you give them finish. If you waiting they happen for Boko, we haven't solved it yet too. Now we they bring Igbo people, Boko Haram people to come and join Biafras. We will not accept this in this country. Hashtag drop the Igbo kingdom. Hashtag the Igbo kingdom must stop. Yes. Power to the
Yenya Pablo say, Mose ohene eni Ghana. Afede munya Igbo hene o Ghana. Afede mu kikem. Na de inti na wambe try sad na Okumase. Chama sad ne de o try Okumase and by this time ka kwa no dementia prison. Or try sad na. Chale Asante people be the only people I see like they go fit die for them land, they go fit die for them king, they go fit die. Me say akwa skate po and afem no yi po on try sad na Okumase. Chale like go be bloody, say you come Igbo something. Oh after the that kunya kese mu oh my Captain Smart mu na ebu mu na de. Hey, you go try that thing for take also in land. Anya dia, you know go fit imagine himself. So dream na you betumi asorete ya. Charlie, but this thing it be serious, you know. We for watch something, you know. It no be play. Me tie some Nigerian for we be say Igbo for no. Omusuban enye fe. As agro sa no mo dey start sa ntokwa jinja no mo kun e Nigeria ho no. Nti yesre Ghana mpanyimfo especially ahemfofo no mo wakra no yesre mo. Ahemfo na wakra akwa say dispute kakra bi wo ho but it was too funny level no serious under one command but in crime sir and I say disputes be na the be since me say I say looseness be by inside what I say yes mo try na mo resolve side way nkofo me en fa na grow we pen agro there omon sa mo kuku nkaka no na dan no mo bubu sa dan no mo si dan ketwa o perga na try ma one plot bi no si dan o ko 50 acres aba be den watch something. Respect to all Ashanti kings and queens.
Yes, so video me nsa me boche we nyina no e obia sema oka say we ntimi si Asante mu da. It can never happen. And I think say you cannot build a kingdom in a kingdom. It's not there. Say a kingdom be any. If you cross say I must say there's no king in Ghana. If you king about mu dwane. Obi just say person will try to come against the Ashanti kingdom and nothing more try to build it. So it's all people are relating it politically, like traditionally, and I think tribally. Sana akakwe. So these are the things ayana ye come was them say we shouldn't sit down. Na ye nyanhwe say saa nyoma we enkoso because there's no way I'll be to me free Ghana memu say uko Igbo memu akwa bie anasa uko Igbo memu akwa to kingdom wo da. They will fight you. You will run for your life. They know. Yeah, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Now, me 270 so. Ebusia, shadi bi. Unim say Nigeria for ni bi kra attack Asante businessmen e wo anase Ghana, sorry. Igbo for ni bi attack Ghanaian businessmen I wo Nigeria. You see? But we've given them so much space to operate. I don't know. Abusia, what do you make of all these situations? What do you make of it? What did you video kit to mom never had?
We use me as a decoy. I'm from Capture Stores.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, please. What's your name?
My name is James Clark, the convener.
Why are you here this morning?
Okay, we are here to present. We came here this morning to present a petition to the Nigerian commissioner. But when we got here this morning, we were told he is not present. Luckily for us, we met one of his people, some of their chiefs, and then we met one of the Nigerian big headsmen, Chief Callistus and others. They spoke to us nicely. They told us that our petition is considered, but the commissioner is not here. So they received the petition and they will be giving it to the commissioner, and I believe they will do justice to it.
The petition, is it about what?
A Ghanaian businessman has invested into housing in Nigeria. The Nigerians populace were harassing him. He went to court. He succeeded.
The name of the businessman?
Yeah, Mr.
Or the group?
Okay, Mr. ASANTEHENE Jonah. He is the main businessman. He has a couple of them around him who are Ghanaians, and I'll later mention them to you. But you see, the problem is that we live peaceful and harmony with our Nigerian brothers and sisters here in Ghana. They got married to our family and everything. Everything is smooth here. Our Ghanaian brothers too in Nigeria are being harassed. So we just want the commissioner to talk to the Nigerian IGP and talk to the Nigerian immigration officers and also talk to the president so that everything will be peaceful. Thank you very much.
Please, your name.
My name is James Clark, the convener.
Your convener of?
Yes.
Convener of what?
Concerned citizens of Ghana.
Concerned citizens of Ghana. And then what do you do apart from?
I'm a media personnel, I'm an actor, and I'm a
personally I know you, but I want you to give details.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm a media personnel, I'm an actor, a businessman, and a philanthropist.
Yes, so now they are attacking the businessmen Nigeria, no, and Omar ran it to commission and they said this is what is happening. So these are the things in America say. One here on Becca say Jimmy, it's say only crow ma wo kwan ma wonya de ope. Nti adentina wo de wo ma ne kwan ma na be de ope. Igbo fo na mbeje wasase a on. Ha. The man is so proud, crap, person just say no one is stopping him. Bibia be fine. O ti me say ASANTE memu de. I don't think so. No. No. On try kwa. Enuntina wo how powerful and how together we are when it comes to fighting this kind of things. So they will never try. They won't cry. They will never. It is what it is. Yeah. Now, me twa ensem ne so abusuan mesro. But more than feel free. Now so far wadwen kyerɛ comment section wona yen hwa de. For wadwen kyerɛ comment section wo. Isa say me share comment section wo sisi a na ya bobu nsɛm. And then they can mesro subscribe na share. Say the be a me drop video bi a unsabeti mi akebi. Mesro say me wa another channel I friend nice extra. Mesro. But more than now say the subscribe to our channel na ho de ye drama series, TV series, movies ni ade. Me di before atum e be sra busua momwa na ye ma channel ne so engro kakra. Mada Roma e dan say ye nuanom bi so what talent aja wo say ye fine no so sa kwan ne so ye bring you up. Me das pa say o hwe me makrao